Welcome to ONSlaser. We are a leading provider of industrial laser solutions, dedicated to empowering global manufacturing with precision, efficiency, and innovation. Our factory is located in Wuhan, famously known as the Optics Valley of China, the world's leading hub for laser technology and fiber optic manufacturing. This strategic location grants ONSlaser unparalleled access to cutting-edge R&D and the most robust laser supply chain on Earth. Inside our world-class facility, this industrial edge translates into premium build quality, where every machine passes rigorous quality checks before shipping overseas. First, our comprehensive laser marking line. We offer advanced fiber, UV, and CO2 laser solutions, providing high-resolution, permanent traces across all metal and non-metal substrates. Next, our high-efficiency laser cleaning series, featuring both continuous wave for high-volume rust removal and pulsed lasers for high-precision, non-destructive surface restoration, and our industrial laser welding systems. From robust fiber laser welders designed for heavy fabrication to precise YAG markers engineered for micro-jewelry repair, ONSlaser delivers flawless joint strength. With thousands of systems deployed globally, ONSlaser has earned the trust of international distributors and fabricators through reliable support and compliance. Ready to upgrade your production? Contact ONSlaser today for a free sample test and a fast quote. Let's shape the future together.